Hey y'all, welcome back to Hey Mom, What's for Dinner? But today we're talking about lunch and lunchbox ideas. So my kids are off to summer camp just for the day, all day from 9 to 4, and I need to pack a couple of lunches. So I have a couple of ideas that may help you out in case your kids are kind of bored of peanut butter and jelly. So I hope you like this video. Remember to click like and subscribe. Lunch number one is going to be these turkey and cheese roll-ups. We're going to start off with a nice flour tortilla that's pretty pliable, and if yours is kind of stiff, just pop it in the microwave. You're just going to need some oven roasted turkey or your favorite deli meat, and of course their favorite cheese. You can pretty much cater this wrap to their liking. And I have mozzarella cheese that is pre-shredded just to save some time. My daughter Mia loves Hidden Valley Ranch dressing, so I've got to put a little bit of that. Now it's time to wrap and roll. Now, the trick to keeping this sealed, what you're going to do is just get a little bit of salad dressing that you used earlier and just smear a little bit along the edge and then just press down. I like to cut this wrap into bite-sized pieces so that they look like little sushi rolls. Now it's time to assemble the little bento box. I have a little dipping cup of ranch dressing, carrot sticks, and cucumbers. And also Ritz crackers and yogurt-covered pretzels. I ended up making 2 turkey wraps, just so that I know that she has enough in her lunch to keep her full all day. And there's lunch number 1. I'm also going to add a juice box and a special little fruit strip treat. It's time to pack it up in her lunchbox. I have a nice size lunchbox here that's insulated, and I know it's going to fit everything. Also, remember the ice pack to keep everything nice and cool. On to lunch number 2, tuna sliders. I'm going to start off with a pouch of tuna in water, and I'm just going to flake it up. Now it's time to season the tuna. I have some yellow mustard. I'm going to use about a teaspoon or so, and then also mayonnaise, about a tablespoon. Just stir it up until well combined. And it also needs a pinch of salt and pepper. When I'm making sliders, I prefer to use these Hawaiian rolls. They're super soft and sweet. My daughter Simone loves tuna, but if your kid doesn't like tuna, try it with chicken salad. The 1 tuna pouch is the perfect portion size for 2 sliders. And I can't forget about the pickles. She loves pickles, so I'm going to top these sliders with a couple of slices of dill pickle. And now it's time to pack up her lunch. This little Ziploc container is the perfect size for this lunch. I'm going to add some Pringles and some fresh red seedless grapes. Now she's my breakfast eater, so she had breakfast, so I know this is going to be plenty for her. This is the perfect fit for this size lunchbox. We've got some napkins, apple juice, and the ice pack. And that's it. I'm gonna zip it up and lunch number 2 is ready to go. I hope you like these lunchbox ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.